Are you gonna watch me go fishing? You are? Oh. That's wonderful. Well, let's go. And we're not going far. Right here to my backyard pond. So, if you guys don't know, I moved into a new house in the fall, and it had a pond, and I've dressed it up, and it's been really good, and it's got all kinds of fish in here. There is a little bit of everything, and so far, after about 6 months, everything seems to be doing well, but I haven't caught a cat out of it in a while. And I know they're here because I've been feeding them, and there's some fairly decent ones. We got some channel cats. There's a couple blues in here, and bullhead, yellow bullhead. We're gonna see what we can get. And I got my little rod holder, got my silver cat, and I'm gonna fish with a bobber and a circle hook with my Team Catfish nuggets. These are night crawler flavor. I got my landing net. So anyway, we're gonna try this out. I'm just gonna open this up. Get me out of, and that looks pretty good, I guess. Let me grab my hook. One thing I like about this is this stuff is sticky and it stays on. It might be a little early for the cats, I don't know. There may be one out there stirring around. So I'm just going to make a ball right around there. Perfect. Yeah, it's down about a foot. Maybe 14 inches. Well, let's see if I can get it out there. Alright. So there's my rod, the holder. I'm gonna leave plenty of line out, so maybe it will drift over there. See if we get anything. Cool. Well, fast forward about 30 minutes, and so far nothing. I think I might have had like one bite, probably some bluegill or something biting at it, but so far it's been pretty dead. The sun is starting to go down. It's getting a little darker. Kind of hoping they'll come out here and bite here soon. Really want to show you guys one of the cats in here. Okay guys, well, that bait's sitting out there. I'm going to do some smaller fish. See if I can show you guys what else is in here. Oddly enough, not sure what the deal is with this. These are not like I remember them. I don't know. It's been a while. Anyway, I'm just got a little jig head, and gonna put a chunk of worm, red worm, on. If I can find them. If I have them. Suddenly I can't find a worm in my dirt. There we go. Starting to think maybe I was out. Alright. I'll probably get bit really quick. So I'm just gonna rig this worm up. This should go pretty quick. I'm going to get a little bobber. Keep it out of the weeds. I'm going to put this on about a foot or so underneath. Okay, there we go. Let's see how quick we can get a bite. Oh, that didn't cast very far. It's not really where I wanted it. Kind of over deep water there. It should still work. Yeah, so far, I didn't think it'd be. We could have something off with the weather or whatever. Well, we'll see if we can get it out more where I wanted it. Now let's try right here while we're at it. Oh, oh. Woohoo! There we go, guys. There we go. Nice little bluegill. Alright, it's a little feller, but yeah. It's not fishless. See if we can get something bigger. That thing's just not casting very good. Oh, ooh. Oh, there. Oh. There we go. Got another one. Got another one, guys. Yeah, it's a nice gill. Nice gill. All right. Ouch. Okay, guys. Another nice bluegill. Sweet. Look at that. Let him go. We still got worm. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. It's just right there. We got bluegill, we got warmouth, some green sunfish, rock bass, long ears, crappie, largemouth, white bass, perch, there's a little bit of everything in here. Oh, got another. Got another. A pretty golden one. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, what a pretty colors, huh? Alright, well, cats aren't biting. The bluegill sure are. Okay. Let's try over on this side again. Gonna work it up along this weed bank. Most of this pond has undercut bank. They really want a live wiggler. Oh, there we go. Alright, guys. A good one. A good bite. A little guy. Cool. Ow. Tell you what, there's nothing like a bluegill to spine you. Cool. Okay, guys, well, can't see it. There you can. Got us a bullhead. Whew. Yeah, little fella. Alright, here he is. Cute little thing. Alright, cool. Well, guys, that's going to be a wrap for tonight. We didn't catch any cats except for that one bullhead, which was cool. So, anyway, yeah, cool. We got one. Now wanted to show you one thing, though, before we wrap up. And that is my Bojo fish light. And what's cool is let's see if I can get that angle better. But it's got a light and a whirling line, and you can see all the bugs it puts in the water. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. Kind of spooked off all the bluegill fighting him. I don't know if that was the same fish that I kept getting or what the deal was, but anyway. Alrighty. Awesome. Well, we'll see you later, guys. Folks, here it is. 47 inches long and 29 inches in girth. So we're going to go figure out what that is, but man, what a fish. What a fish. I just love these guys. It's been a long time, but the big fish drought is finally broken.